Welcome to Eucharisto Music Academy. And today we have a wonderful topic, a very wonderful topic called degrees of the scale and intervals. In fact, this is one of the most simplest topics in your grade one music theory. Like the simplest, like that's one of the simplest. One of the simplest to me is the simplest degree of skill. Like even if you don't know many things like that, but this is just easy for you to pass. Just be your signature. That's all. Now, what is an interval? The degree of scales and interval. What is an interval? An interval is the distance in pitch between two different notes. An interval in pitch between two different notes. That is to say, if this is one note here, another note is here, the interval between these two notes is the word, the distance from here to second. That is the interval. That is the word interval. So let's start. Now in this one now, in these questions now, they are now asking us that we should draw a note at the fourth degree, at the fourth degree, at the fourth degree. Now, one thing you should take note of is that the first degree of the scale is the keynote. The first degree of the scale is the keynote. Now, if this is key G major and the keynote is on G, it means that this line will be our first interval. Number one. Then the space will be number two. This line will be three. Third interval is third, first, second, third. This space will be fourth. So what we need to do is to come to this fourth interval, because they say fourth, we draw the semi-degree. That's all. Very interesting. That's all. Fourth. Now look at this. Let's go to number two. This is G major. Now this is the keynote because this is line G. Keynote. And they say second. Second interval. Let's count. This line will be our third interval. The space there will be our second interval. That's all. That's all. Let's go to number three. Number three. This is C major. This is C major. C major. And this is the keynote because this is a C. And they say we should draw a semi-brief on the third interval. Very simple. This space is third. The line here, second. The space here, third. So this is our third interval. Very simple. Very simple. Let's go to this next one. This is on the key of F. And this is our third interval. Third interval because on the space F. Now, and we are asked to draw a semi-brief on the fourth interval. On the fourth interval, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come here and draw a semi-brief. Very simple. Seventh, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is not simple. It's not simple. It's very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. Now, fifth, count. Line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth. Here. Simple. Sixth, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth to be on the space here. Are you seeing me? Yes. Now, this one. This is HVE. HVE interval. HVE, no, there's no big deal there. Just mean an octave, an octave. HVE means an octave. Are you getting it? HVE means an octave, and an octave is like it's teaching eight. The eighth note. The eighth note. That is the octave. The eighth note. Yes. The eighth note, not chromatically. The eighth note. And octave. So counting octave from here is very simple. 1, 2, 3. You can't line and space, depending on where the note started from. The note started here on space. You count space 1, line 2, space 3, line 4, space 5, line 6, space 7, line 8. Isn't it? We'll come here because we not here. Very simple. Very simple. Do you understand? Yes. Now, there are two types of intervals. Two types of intervals. So number one, the melodic interval, and number two, the harmonic interval. The melodic interval and the harmonic interval. Now, how can you identify the melodic interval? MI, use MI for melodic interval. Melodic interval. In melodic interval, the notes are separated. They are separated. That is, they are not on the same line. They are separated. But in harmonic interval, they are on the same line. They travel together. They travel together. Melody, one, they are separated. Harmonic interval, they are together. One way I used to remember this in the example is that I take my mind to harmony. When we're talking about harmony, we're talking about togetherness. When we say, let's sing in harmony, that is to sing together. So when we are together, we are in harmony. But when we are singing like this differently, then you understand. But when we are together, we are always in harmony. Does that make sense? Yes, that makes sense. When you are together, you are always in harmony. And you just know this one, then you know that the other one is melody. Because sometimes you might forget, one is this one harmony, this one melody, this is the melody, no, this is harmony, no, this is harmony, this is harmony. No. Just know. When we are together, we are what? In harmony. When we are together, we are in harmony. And otherwise is the melody interval. Did you get that? Yes. Exercise 2. Give the number of the following melodic intervals. Melody, not harmony. Melody. Very simple. Just give the number. Just count. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fourth. Let's start. Let's be fast. What is that? 1, 3, 5, 7. It's seventh. In this kind of example, on this. Tick. So sweet. Second, 1, 2. It's on the space and it's on the line. Second. Fifth. Are we together? Yeah, what about this? Third. Third. What about this? What's that? Tell me. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's that? 8. But don't just put 8. Put 8 B. Now this. Second, right? Second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's that? Fifth. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's that? Seventh, right? Are we together? Yes. What about this? This should be third. 1, 2, 3. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth. And what about this? This. Let's count it. Space 1, line 2, space 3, line 4. Fourth. Now, exercise 3. Put a semi-brief to make the harmonic interval. Put a semi-brief to make an harmonic interval. Harmonic interval. Very simple. Just don't say 10. Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. Seventh. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth. inside the space, so this is line 1, this line is 1, second, fourth. The following sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fifth, HVE. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sixth, fourth, third, and seventh is Evelyn. Let me come to you. Seventh is 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. You understand? Yes. Exercise 4. Write the number of each interval. Very simple, very simple. The interval between this note and this note. You see the mark? This note and this note. What's the interval between two of them? The one is 1, 2, 3. This one is third. Third. Here, from here to here, the distance between here to here. 1, 2, second. Second. Over this, from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. I see it. What about this from here to here? This should be fifth. Are you seeing it? What about this? From here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth. 1, 2, 3, fourth. What about this? Third. What about this? This should be eighth. Are you seeing it? Then this lastly, let me complicate. This lastly, 1, 3, 5, 6. 6. That's very simple. Thank you for watching up to this time. If our videos have been helpful to you, kindly click the subscribe button for more videos. Or if you can watch any videos on my left hand side or my right hand side, both sides there are videos for you to watch. Watch them and learn more. God bless you. Bye.